In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive quiz in Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your Gemini account, access the right workspace, craft a clear prompt, generate a solar system quiz, and let Gemini do the heavy lifting. Start by opening your Gemini AI account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in and your internet connection is stable so everything loads smoothly. Once you're in, look for the Tools option in the interface. It's typically located in the main navigation or sidebar. Tools is where Gemini keeps specialized workspaces that make building structured content, like quizzes, faster and more organized. From the Tools area, select Canvas. Canvas is a focused space designed for creating and shaping content with a clear layout. It's perfect for quizzes because it helps present questions, options, and explanations in a neat, readable format. Now, it's time to enter the prompts you're going to write. The quality of your prompt directly shapes the quality of the quiz, so be specific. Tell Gemini exactly what you want. An interactive quiz about the solar system. You can include details such as the number of questions, the type of questions, like multiple choice or true, false, the difficulty level, and the audience. For example, you might say you want 10 multiple choice questions that progress from easy to challenging, with clear answer choices, instant feedback explaining why an answer is correct or not, and a short fact for deeper learning. If you have a preferred tone, educational, fun, or exam style, mention that too. Adding constraints like time limits, scoring style, or a final answer key can also help Gemini format the output precisely the way you envision, all within the single prompt you're entering. With your prompt ready, generate a quiz about the solar system. Keep the focus on planets, moons, orbits, and key phenomena like eclipses or gravity, whatever aligns with your learning goals. Put all those details into your prompt so Gemini understands the scope. When you're satisfied with the wording, press enter and wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. You'll see it begin to generate your content in Canvas. Avoid refreshing the page or clicking away. Generation can take a moment depending on complexity. Once it's done, your interactive solar system quiz will appear neatly organized, ready to preview or use. That's it. You opened Gemini, navigated to Tools, selected Canvas, entered a clear prompt, generated your solar system quiz, and let Gemini finish the job.